Hi, folks. My name is Sunny, and I am working with the Essbase from last 7 to 10 years. And as I'm working on a multiple version of the Essbase, and recently the Oracle from last couple of years, they start focusing um, on their Essbase on a web-based application. So and they are doing a lot of work, and it's a 380-degree shift for the existing user who is working Oracle Essbase 11.1.2, and now it's a 90C, which is a web-based version of Essbase. So I just want to get you an overview and the look and feel that how it looks like in today's world. The model has been changed. Basically, currently whatever is available, uh, you pay. There is a different model, there is a different method how you want to bring your system up on a cloud. You can buy the infrastructure and the license from the marketplace. It's up to you if you have your own license. There is a policy a method called bring your own license, BOYL, and then you can pay for the infrastructure. And this is you can see I still have a $413 left in my trial. But here I can have multiple components of this infrastructure and admin side. I'm not going to go into detail how to set up that because it's quite technical, but there are two things which I definitely want to focus on and very high level that and once your admin or whoever your marketplace or Oracle people, whoever you help you to set up this, you have to make sure whenever you come here, you have to, once you're done, you have to stop your this service, and when you come back to start. Otherwise, your charges will be and going away, and then even you're not using this will be still getting charged. So once is the instance, there is a and then the other one is the autonomous data warehouse. I believe it's an autonomous processing. So here you see your Essbase database. There's a Essbase database, and then you click on it. When you click on it, then you can stop from here. So you have to stop this guy, and you have to stop instance this guy in order to stop charging yourself. Okay, so this is the setup. I'm not gonna go into that detail how this setup, but I want to get you directly to the application. So this is the look and feel that we have today. If you want to go to Oracle and Essbase on cloud, and here is the same thing. Once you're done, you have to stop, and once you come back, you have to start. But this once this all in this setup, if the admin side the setup is ready, then you can stop and start the application. So this, if you will see, this is a web-based, and now it's totally different. You have an application, you have a job, file, scenarios, security, sources, console, and academy. And this is the same you will see here. So we will go one by one to these tabs and see what they do. And they have a different applications, they have a different functions, and we will explore in different sessions. So you can see this is a sample application. I haven't done anything yet. It's just a simple application. It's a basic. And then here you can have multiple options. One option is inspect, stop. If you will stop, it will stop your database. Let me do, if I stop this, I click stop, so you can see it's stopped. And if I will stop this, and this will be now application is stopped. So the idea is that you might have a multiple application, might have a multiple databases in one application. So you can stop the database and you can start the database, or you can also start the database. So it will take a little time, and then then it's gonna come back. So if you will see, both the database and application came to live. Now, uh, this application is this is your console as compared to we used to have in the old ways, which is I can show you here. So this is your old ES console where you have a properties, where you have a test list manager, modification, outline, uh, and you were very much familiar how you can see the multiple application. This is your application. This is your database. For example, like you have a one and two databases. So this is your old way of doing, and this you can see this is 11.1.2.4, and if you and now the cloud version of it, and this is what is the new world is going to be, and this is what exactly uh, where we can do everything. And my so I will click on inspect. So I'm trying to get a little bit in deep now, but it's still very basic. So if you will see here is a general information, launch date, when it's been launched, analyze data 16 days ago, live 9:48, a minute ago. It will give you how long you were live, how much you have used. These are all your dimensions. You can see your years, measures, product, market. This is your files, scripts, filters, variables. Okay, so these are the different settings. But the main shift, which is a 380-degree shift, is now everything is, in fact, 90% thing is driven by the Excel sheets. Everything can be done through the sheets, and we will see step by step. But this application, if you see basic, I can easily export into Excel. So I want to know, hey, I want to do the parent child or generation. I keep to generation. I don't want data. I don't want export. Just I want to go to parent and child, and I will click. It's going to start downloading your application in Excel. So what I'm saying, you don't have to have any issue, and it's very easy right now to transform your old application into an Excel. So this has got downloaded, and if I click here, so you see here, I you can see this is all the information that you have in this application. Online, it is their sample, basics. So this is your whole cube. Here you can see all these information. These are your cube settings. What is the BSO? What is outline type? And then you can have here prefix, parent, all these things generate this one. So in our next session, we will tell you in detail how we can build an application using the Excel and bring it back. We will create an Excel and we will bring it back here. We will import, or what are the methods to bring it. I hope you like this video, and hopefully in